Today I'm going to show you how to make animated glitter text effects in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Go to elements, click on shapes, resize it, change the color to black, and go to text and type your text. Choose any font you want. Resize it. Go to share, download, choose PNG, make the maximum size, download, upload, and delete these elements. Drag this image to the timeline, resize it, edit photo, and remove the background. Go to elements and type glitter. Go to videos and choose any style you want. Let's use this one. Go to layers and send backward. Click in the image, edit photo, go to effects and choose tune, sherry, and choose the white color. And download as video and upload the video again. Delete this page. Drag the video to the timeline. Resize it. Go to edit video. Background removal. And you can make any video as a background. Let's use this one. Layers, sing backward, and here's the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.